Have you ever wondered the craft that is involved in wood carving? Most of us think that woods are used to make just furniture and tables. But no, in Africa and especially in Igboland, woods are used for so many things. They can be used to carve Ndi Ichie, that is the Igbo ancestors. That is a representative of Igbo ancestors. Obesi, Ikenga, and so many other beautiful arts. For today, I'm going to introduce to us Ogbuefi Ezenwata Nwaezeigwe, who is a professional wood carver, a spiritual one at that. His craft is spiritual. He's going to tell us about his business, how he started it, and the do's and don'ts, and so many other things that are involved in this wood carving business. This episode will show the process he underwent carving this particular wood and the end result. The next episode will be the interview where he will bear it all, where he tells us everything we need to know about wood, the spiritual aspects, the physical aspects, the do's, the don'ts, and just everything we need to know about woods. Because in his interview, he mentioned that Igbos, that people, they use woods the wrong way, and that it's been affecting people in one way or the other. So after watching this next video that will be the interview, you're going to learn a lot. But for this one, watch this video and see the process he underwent carving this wood and see the end result, and you will bear me witness that wood carving is a beautiful and an amazing art. Stay tuned and don't go anywhere. So my people, these are just some of the end products of wood carving. You can bear witness that it is such an amazing craft. Wood carving is an amazing craft, an amazing art. Look how beautiful all these are. So amazing.